Hey Cloud Spokers, good evening. It's good to be back. It's been a long time since I submitted a challenge, and I'm back with this challenge Smartsheet for Salesforce.com Redux. Uh, it's funny because I was the one who built the last two challenges and I won there, so I got opportunity to work on this new upgrade version as well. So let me go into the challenge what I have done. For this one, uh, the main requirement was to upgrade it from version 1.0 REST API to version 1.1 REST API that Smartsheet released recently. So I did the upgrade and I got the both import and export working in a same single unmanaged package, so you can install it and you'll have both the functionality. So let me go ahead into the Salesforce org. So this is a general Salesforce org that I have. I few changes that I made. The first change is the custom settings. So now I moved from Smartsheet to 1.1, and you can see that it's a hierarchy now versus the actual regular settings. And you can see that there is an access token. We don't have assume user now because we don't need assume user on the header. So that's access token endpoint. I moved the version from the code to the custom settings. So in future, if you wanted to move from 1.0 to 1.2, you can do that as well. And the default template option is now optional. So you can either have it or not have it. That works absolutely fine. So let me go into the action now. So on the opportunities, you can see that this is the custom button pipeline report. When you click on this button, you will be navigated to a Visual Force page called opportunity to Smartsheet, and you can see the option whether you wanted to import or export. Let's start with an export. So when you choose the export, there are a few new features. First one is enter the sheet name. So now you can define what sheet name you wanted to enter. You can and you can select the template. Previously, if you remember, you can choose a template, and you have to have a template for a sheet to be uploaded to the Smartsheet. But now you have another option, create sheet without template. So you can select that one as well. So if you select that one, it says that new Smartsheet, and you can do a view mapping, and you can see that these are all the fields that will be sent to the Smartsheet. So you can either add a field or remove a field. So let me go ahead and add field amount, add field description. Just save and return, and you can run the report. So you can see that the amount and description fields are added, and it is displaying the report, and these are all the filters that we have in the past package as well. So I'm going with the same filters. And now when you click on run report, I think there are like more than 30 or 40 records. So when you click on run report, previously it used to execute a batch job asynchronously. So a batch job will be run behind the scenes if there are more than 10 because of the quality issues. But now when you click on run report, what it's going to do is, I'm sorry, it's not the run report, but the export to Smartsheet. When you click on the export to Smartsheet, it's going to send a sheet, all the 40 records at the same time. Because the version 1.1 has ability to send more than one row at the same time. So click on export, and you can see that the Smartsheet is created. So let me go into the my org, click on home. So you can see that this one is created already, and it has 38 records, and everything happened synchronously. So there is no batch job, nothing. So you can see you can see that the amount and description fields are also pulled down. So that's one change that I have done. So I have documented all the changes that were done. So you can see that the version 1.1 is used, and now you can create a smart sheet from opportunity without using any templates, which I have shown you. You can give your own name to the smart sheet template. Remove the batch process. We have changes to the custom settings, so why we have a new custom settings object, and the test classes are changed as well. But let me go ahead and let's do an import as well. I mean, so we have done the export, so we'll do an import. So before doing an import, let's pull. I just wanted to see if I can do it. I wanted to show you the merge functionality as well. So I mean, if you are familiar with the old version, it has a merge functionality. So if I go pipeline report to an import, so the chosen control is there, which you already know. Demo 520, and it is pulling all the mappings. So the smart sheet column versus the opportunity column, it does the mapping for you. So it shows that there is a one conflict. We just updated one record, so you can see that, and which one you wanted to pick. If you wanted to pick the Salesforce one or the Smartsheet one. So if you pick the Smartsheet one and click on the input, it said that it imported 38 records, but it the change that we made to this one is again overridden with the change from the Smartsheet. So that's basically it for the demo. Everything else is working fine. You can do you can select the template if you want to, and it works fine as the previous package. And I have a 90% of test code coverage as well. So that's all. I hope you like my challenge. Thank you. Bye bye.